like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it.
Hey there, Internet Keith here. Welcome to the Cars and Keith YouTube channel. And in this episode, my baby Heidi here is getting a new wrap. And actually just about on the 4-year anniversary of purchasing this car. So let's get on the drive down to Opulent Idle Styling. So don't forget to check out the links below to any of my sponsors, my affiliate links. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get on the road. Soon Heidi will be like her sister Helen here and have a color change, except on a car that has no monster truck gap above the tires. And yes, I use my blinkers. So while we're trying to wait for Heidi to get warmed up, we'll probably do a pull or two here or there. The sun's right in my face. But a lot of you may already know the color, but you may not, because I had actually chosen another color and told everybody what that color was. A lot of you are going to be surprised because very few of you know about this new color. Now the reason I made the change was because the texture of the wrap was just not going to be what I wanted. It was going to be Hexis Chameleon Gray, I believe is the color that I was going to choose. He said he knew the texture was not going to be what I wanted because I like things to be very smooth and glossy. A little bit. Now I have my wife in front of me and I am going to hear about that for a couple of days probably. I can get Helen to do a flyby. Well, there she is, looking all nice. She's gonna look crazy with the new wrap. Now I'll stop by tomorrow to drop off the key. This is the only time that I can get 2 cars to do the drop off. But we'll go by there, going to the Georgia State game tomorrow with my son, so I'll be able to drop by the key and maybe do a tour of what's in the shop, what kind of cars are in there, maybe a sneak peek at the color, who knows. So we're back the next day to drop off the keys. Let's go check out the shop and see what's in there. The anticipation is always exciting to see what's gonna happen and what the car's gonna look like. You see him in pictures and you see him on rolls, but you never know what's gonna look like on the car.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
Well, that's it for the visit here. The next time we will see this car, she will have the new wrap on.
Let's go, yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So we have made it back to Opulent Idle Styling. As you can see in the background, the color, she looks really good. So let's get her home in this crazy hour-and-a-half traffic, and then I'll go over and explain the color and everything about it. we're back home and my baby is looking amazing. Heidi is loving the color. We've gone to gloss. Now just before we get into the montage, which is next, and I didn't even do it to music because the exhaust note was great. The sound was so good. There was no need for it. So it's just a bunch of rollers and stuff showing the color flip. Now this wrap right here is called Orafol Aquamarine. Now outside of the aquamarine color, we also have 3M gloss black on the roof and the shark fin. This time we PPF the whole front end. We PPF the hood, both front fenders, we PPF the side mirrors, front bumper, and the front lip. And this is a new PPF from Hexis called Defense X. And the coolest thing about this is it can self-heal at ambient temperature. You don't need a heat source. If installed by a certified installer, it is a lifetime warranty as well. So the roller montage is next. The bloopers will be right after that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links below. See you in the next video. Let's get to move. Maybe do a shot with the, maybe do a tour shot. Maybe do a shot. Oh my gosh. Maybe do the, and then we will. Oh my gosh. Crazy hour and a half trip. Oh my gosh. I hope those are burbles and not backfires. Is Aquamarine. This is their number, and this is the Aqua. And our German wrap company, they're actually now outside of the aqua. Now outside of the aqua.